In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Lovable with Supabase. This integration allows you to connect and utilize both platforms effectively for your projects. Follow along to complete the setup process seamlessly. Begin by navigating to the Lovable website. You can do this by entering, quote, lovable.dev, quote, into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of Lovable, which should feature options for various features and settings. Next, locate the Settings option on the navigation menu, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Settings to access a new page that contains several tabs related to your account and workspace configurations. After that, find the Workspace tab within the Settings menu. Clicking on Workspace will take you to a section where you can manage different aspects of your project environment. Ensure that you are on once this appears, navigate to the Account tab. This section provides information about your account and allows you to manage integrations and other settings. Confirm that you have selected the right account settings. Now click on Connectors from the options available within the account settings. This area allows you to manage various integrations available for your Lovable account. You should see a list of connectors that can be configured. Continue by clicking on Connectors again, if required, to ensure you are in the correct section dedicated to integrations. This may appear redundant, but is essential for accessing the integration options. Next, find the option labeled Supabase and click on it. This action will direct you to the Supabase integration settings where you can enable the connection between Lovable and Supabase. After that, click on the Enable button. This action confirms that you want to activate the integration with Supabase. Wait a moment for the system to process your request, which may involve a loading indicator. Once this is confirmed, click on Go Back to return to the previous settings page. You should see a confirmation that the integration is now enabled, allowing you to manage your projects more effectively. Now click on All Projects to view a list of your projects within Lovable. This section displays all the projects you've created, making it easier to select the one you want to work on. Choose a project from the list displayed on your screen. Ensure that you select the correct project, as this will be the one linked with your Supabase integration. After selecting the project, click on the AI chat box or prompt option related to your project. This action will take you to the specific settings or features associated with that project. Next, type in Integrate with Supabase into the designated input area. Ensure that you enter the phrase accurately to prompt the necessary actions related to the integration. Finally, click on Enter to execute the command you just typed. After a brief moment, the system should process your input, completing the integration setup. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.